So I just want to come here and show my little idea real quick. This is just a food tray. It had like some bread and spinach, artichoke dip stuff in it. I'm like, I don't feel like putting out a whole bunch of little containers right now because I just don't feel like it. And I have all these starts. Now, a couple of these, like the pumpkin and the carrots and the cabbage, those will get started directly inside of the garden box. But these little guys, just turnips and stuff, I want to baby the seedlings a little bit more. So this is my starter box. And those are just some Taco Bell cardboard that I made up. And we have 4, what is that, 8, 12, 16, 18. And what do I have it in? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll see. Oh, and then I have these little tomatoes, lemon mint. I planted it and it didn't do right. These are leftovers from these little guys. These are cilantro and some mustard greens and collard greens that did not grow, but they went straight to seed. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. Don't mind my messy table. Okay, it's been quite this has been an office table for the last week. It hasn't been a kitchen table. So it's becoming a kitchen table again now. Anyway, I just wanted to show that real quick, and have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.